only.
With only Bhojpuri song.
Oh, only Bhojpuri.
Only Bhojpuri song. Means
We,
without Bhojpuri song, like like I am going to upload video of my Mama Ji Saadi. So like you can see, like only Bhojpuri song they will gonna. Means I don't like Bhojpuri song, and because of Bhojpuri industry, our Bhojpuri,
Yes.
this is very sweet language, you know.
Yes.
But because of them, like no one like our Bhojpuri sound, even Bhojpuri language. Because of them,
Yes.
they do a lot of vulgar things, and they have made so vulgar, you know, even movie, even songs. So that's why people don't like, you know.
Yes.
So therefore, I feel some anger and somehow sad, because even my teacher was also saying that our language is so sweet, but because of them, this has happened, you know. Actually,
Yes. You know, in your area, only Bhojpuri is listened or other language song also, like except Bhojpuri.
yeah, you know, like means people also listen Haryanvi. Means I love Haryanvi song,
Yes,
Punjabi
Haryanvi.
song. I don't listen Bhojpuri song.
Yes.
Haryanvi, Punjabi, like and like yeah. Sometimes I listen English song too, so that I can improve myself in that.
Yes, yes. Also in my area, like actually my language is Santhali. You know, here people, if any marriage will happen between boy and girl, you know, so that time like they play mostly the language in our language, but some people, you know, play also Bhojpuri from my caste.
Yeah, Bhojpuri song is literally famous. Even like you know,
All
in,
kind of people they
like
listen.
people listen. People like, you know, I got connected with one man, and he was from Odisha. He was saying that I love Bhojpuri song. I love Bhojpuri song. Their song, and even I watch movies. So I said, okay, that's okay, but I don't watch and I don't like even.
Yes, yes, really, yes. Actually, some people like they understand in my area Bhojpuri, but some people don't understand. But if I talk about myself, you know, I understand Bhojpuri. 90% of language I understand Bhojpuri, but I can't speak, and I don't listen all the same whether I understand, but I can't speak.
May
But
I know
many
what
people,
is your
yes,
native language?
yes.
May I know what is your native language? Your
Native language is Santhali.
Yeah, so can you speak something in your native language? I will try to understand
Yes,
what
you have
want
to
say.
ask me something in English that I will translate into my native language.
Okay.
तूने इनऑर्गेनिक सब पढ़ लिया, मुझसे क्वेश्चंस पूछना।
कुछ रिवाइज कर लेना यार।
15 मिनट में 150 पेजेस।
What do you want to ask?
You can even say like, I am in the field right now and I'm talking to you. So how can you say in your native language?
In khet fere minanya.
In? Can I know again?
In khet fere minanya.
Okay. In Kheti, like it somewhat I can understand because it also related to our Bhojpuri language. So some
Yes, we
I
say
can
khet
understand.
only, khet
Some-
only in our language too. This is khet, khet. Yes. Also in Hindi language khet, I think.
language we also say Khet.
Yes,
Khet.
similar, something similar. Yes. And in your language, if I'll ask you the same question, you are in the field. I'm in the field. So how do you say in Bengal? You like Bhojpuri, your language is right.
Yeah. So हम खेत में बानी और हम तारा से बात कर रहे तानी ऐसे. Just like this, we say.
Yes, yes. Actually, what you said, like yes.
Elder than us, so we respect them also. We say कि हम खेत में बानी और मतलब कि just like this कि तारा से बात करता नहीं. You know, like it is difficult when you are just speaking in English, and when it's come suddenly to speak in, you know, like our native language, we even stuck and we feel something hesitation, you know.
Yes, 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 yes. Like mostly in Bhojpuri language, like Tani Bani they use, right? And here, you know, in my in my area, many people like your language Bhojpuri, and some people from my area also, their language is similar to your language, but little bit different. But they and cho, you know, something like that. But they listen Bhojpuri only in marriage time. Yes.
Yeah, like you know, I have watched your one video when I was in the 8th standard. Like you had one friend, you know, and he knows like totally Bhojpuri. Is it true?
Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Ajay, yes, Ajay, my friend. He knows, yes, Bhojpuri completely.
Yeah,
He can
I
speak.
know because I watch your videos. I watch your videos. When you have talked with Dehati ma'am, I also wanna connect with her. But after coming from there, I will try to have a session with her.
Yes, really, yes. So you didn't take session so far with Dehati madam.
Means like I have told you already that I have been not doing anything for my English like 1 year. Means I totally compressed myself in doing a study, and I was not doing anything, not even reading English books, because like in Bihar board there is no any, like they don't add marks of English. If you pass, so okay, you are pass, and they don't add number of English in Bihar board. So that's why we don't focus. Actually, we have a lot of subject. In social science we have 5 subjects. Like in 5 subjects in social science, Hindi 2 subject, English 2 subjects. So we have a lot of subjects. So I was quite tangled in that, and we have short period of time actually.
Yes, really. Great. So you told, I think you are about to go where?
Yeah, I have to go. My mother is even calling me, but I mean she was saying to me that we will go on 8, but suddenly she changed her decision. So I told that I will take sis, I will talk to him, and after that I will do anything.
Yes, yes. Oh, what did you
I
say?
want to talk.
Marriage or where? You told marriage.
Yeah, like my Mamaji marriage function. He is going to get married, so that's why we are going there.
Yes, yes, yes. Actually, many people from my area like come.
I haven't started the preparation of 11th. Otherwise, I would have started.
Yes, yes. Really, preparation is important. Yes. So you didn't start, right? So when are you about to start?
Means like after getting my result, now I will start.
Yes.
Yeah, but my full focus will be on my study, and I will also try to talk with the people. I will